Max and the Time Traveler's Key. Max was a curious boy who loved to tinker with old gadgets. One day, while exploring his grandfather's dusty attic, he found a mysterious old key hidden inside an ancient clock. It was unlike any key he had ever seen, intricately carved with strange symbols that glowed faintly in the dim light. Max's grandfather had often told him stories of time travelers, but Max never believed them. That was until the key in his hand started to hum softly. Without thinking, Max inserted the key into the old clock, and with a loud click, the world around him shifted. Suddenly, Max found himself standing in the middle of a bustling city. But it wasn't his city. The people wore old-fashioned clothes, and horse-drawn carriages clattered down the streets. Max realized that he had traveled back in time. As Max explored the past, he noticed something unusual. Time was behaving strangely. People were moving too quickly or too slowly, and entire buildings seemed to appear and disappear. It was as if time itself was broken. Just as Max began to worry, a mysterious figure appeared, a man in a long coat and tall hat. He introduced himself as the Timekeeper, a guardian of time who needed Max's help. The ancient key Max had found wasn't just a key, it was the Timekeeper's missing tool, and only Max could use it to fix the broken timeline. Together, Max and Timekeeper embarked on a journey through different eras, visiting ancient civilizations, medieval castles, and even futuristic cities. Everywhere they went, Max used the key to restore time, setting things back in order. At last, they arrived at the heart of time itself. A grand tower filled with glowing clocks and shimmering hourglasses. Max placed the key into the largest clock, and with a satisfying click, time returned to normal. The Timekeeper thanked Max for his bravery and curiosity. "You have restored the balance of time, young traveler," he said. "This key is now yours. Use it wisely, and time will always be on your side." Max returned to his grandfather's attic, while the key is still glowing faintly in his hand. From that day on, whenever he felt adventurous, he knew that the key would take him on new journeys through time, exploring the past, the future, and everything in between.